My video guide will help you to get rid of the scary pop-ups that are related to the website mc1.bocheu.click. Indeed, this is a deceptive pop-up that periodically may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. Bocheu.click is a very deceptive website. It has the purpose of making you think that your computer is horribly infected by some malware. In fact, the pop-up clearly says your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. However, these pop-ups are totally faulty. They are not related to any decent security software. They claim to be associated with some well-known security program, but the pop-up is not related to that program. If you click on this Stay Protected button after being scared with these faulty messages, you will be just redirected to some other deceptive websites that may promote a totally different software. In the light of this information, you should be very careful. You shouldn't download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest, because they actually promote potentially unwanted programs that may damage your device. So, Bocheu.click is a pop-up you should not trust. We recommend you to carefully research your control panel. So, find the control panel of your Windows computer. Then carefully research the list of the programs which are installed in your system. In case you locate any suspicious programs that you don't remember installing directly, if you find any extraordinary items that don't make sense on this list, don't hesitate to get rid of such software. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend that you also research it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.